Here is how to view your Apple ID password on iPhone. So first of all, open up Settings app. Then you should scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. If you not see this specific option Apps, that means your iOS it's older. Then you just scroll down and under Calendar you will see, I think here, Passwords option. So basically proceed to Passwords. In my iOS I should tap on Apps and I will find Passwords from this specific menu. So basically proceed to Passwords. Once you're here, you should scroll all the way down and tap on Open Passwords. Then enter your Face ID or passcode and then tap on All. And here you will see Apple, and you can check it by tap on Edit, and here is your password and your username, of course. Alright, second way how you can find your password: open up any browser on your device that you used to, then in Google write just Google. So basically we should go to google.com and search it. In very top you will see your profile icon, just tap on it. And then what we need to do next is manage your Google account. Tap on this specific option. Once you're here, you will see at this all menus security. So we should just swipe from right to left and tap on security. Once you're here, you will see option manage password manager. Tap on manage passwords, and in this specific list find Apple. So what we do next, tap on search, and in search tap on here and write Apple. In my specific order it's iCloud. So basically proceed to Apple. It will ask my password. One moment. Then tap on next. And it will show my Apple ID password over here. Just tap on this eye icon and you will see it.